My name is Isabella and I go to Will Rogers Middle School, and the name of my video is Berry Nutella Crepes. It's an instructional video where me and my two friends Ayonna and Penny, we make berry Nutella crepes with raspberries and blueberries and honey as the berries, and we put condensed milk over it with Nutella, kind of like thin pancakes, and we roll them and then we spread the berries, the condensed milk, and the Nutella over them. We tell you how to make those. I was the filmer and the editor. I like the editing because I can make everything to where there's no problems, and I can put little details in there where it makes it cooler. This is my first year and I've learned a lot more on editing, so I can go home and get a computer and go on iMovie. I can make my own videos.